Okay, see question number 7. If Sn, S suffix n is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n 1 by NCR and T suffix n or Tn is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n r by NCR. If you compare Tn and Sn, the sigma is same, but here 1 by NCR, here r by NCR. Then what is the value of Tn by Sn, like they are asking. Okay, see here I want to tell something. See, 5C3 is equal to 5C2. Why? 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Why? Because the NCA and NCB are there. If A plus B is equal to N, then NCA is equal to NCB. Okay? A plus B together should become equal to N. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Same like you see 10C7, 10C3 are there. You see 7 plus 3 equal to 10. These both are equal. Okay, this logic we know already. Okay, see how we are going to apply this logic here in our question. That is very crucial. Okay, see what I want to say. I am taking Tn only. Observe carefully, Tn only. Sigma r is equal to 0 to n also I am taking. Okay, see this shall I write r by nc n minus r. Both are same. Why? Because see what I want to say. See 5C3 is equal to 5C2 means this shall I also written 5C3 minus 2 NCR. Okay, sorry, 5 minus 2 NCN minus R. This is R, NCN minus R. 5 minus 2, 3. Both are same. Same thing I have written here. That means NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Both are same. What if what if I write like this? N minus R but NCR only. That means see I don't want to change this but I want to change this. Is it okay? You may get doubt, sir. Here if 3 is there means here 5 minus 3 2 will come. How it is going to become like? When sigma is there, this is taking care of this. Why? Because I want to tell. Let us take 5 and 2. Okay, let us take n is 5 and r is equal to 2. Okay, let us take now you tell me here what I want to take, what I am taking. You see if you don't take this n minus r and you take r only and do it. Okay, just imagine. Okay, why? Because see r you need not take. Why? Because r from 0 to n it is going, you have to take only n. Okay, r from 0 to n it is going, you have to take only n. I have taken let n is equal to 5. See how I am doing first. This one I am doing. You see r is equal to n is equal to 5 means from 0. 0 means see this is 0. 0 r 0 by something whatever you do. See 0 c 0 minus r. 0 by something is 0. You need not worry. 0. Okay. Plus 1. But up to 5 how to go? 1. 1 means see 1 by 1C0. Okay. See here 1C0. Okay. Plus if we have 2 by 2C 2 minus 2. See 5 minus 2. Sorry. Here n is 5. 5 minus 0, 5. Here it has to come 5. 5 will not come. 5 minus 0. 5 will come. Okay. See first one is 0. Don't worry. Second one at 1. Numerator is 1 but denominator 5C 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means 4 will come. 5c4. Okay. 2 5c3 will come plus 3 by 5c4 will come. No. So say 3. Okay. 5 minus 3, 2 will come. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. 5 minus 2. Okay. Plus 4 by 5c. See, when 4 is there, 1 will come. Plus 5 by, why? Because up to 5 we are going. 5c 0 will come. Okay. Observe carefully. Numerator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Denominator, you see 5c4, 5c3, 5c2, 5c1, 5c0. That means see, n is standard 5 to 0 or else 0 by 5c5 also will come. Will come, but 0 by something is 0, that is why we have not considered much. 5 to 0, yet 0 to 5 as well. Okay. See, this is as per this R. Now, as per this I am doing. Okay. Same n is equal to 5 I am taking. See, individually you may confuse, but when sigma, then it is going to become okay. Now you see, same 5. That means see, 5 means now you tell me when n is equal to R is equal to first 0, 5 minus 0, 5 by 5 c 0 5 plus. Okay. Now observe carefully. But now 1, 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. I will write like this. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Denominator separately I will write. R is we are getting confusion. Okay. 5c, 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 5c. Okay. Now we don't have any confusion now. Why? Because see, NCR means see, R first we have taken 0. Yes, here 0. Here 0 means 5c 0. Okay, next we have taken 1. Next we have taken 2. Next we have taken 3. Next we have taken 4. Next we have taken 5. Now you tell me whether both are same. Yes. Why? Because see, 0 by something, both are cancelled same. Okay, that is one thing. Another one, you see, 1 by 5c4 is there here, 1 by 5c4 is there, cancel. 2 by 5c3 is there, 2 by 5c3 is there, cancel. 3 by 5c2 is there, 3 by 5c2 is there, cancel. 4 by 5c1, 4 by 5c1, cancel. 5 by 5c0, 5 by 5c0, cancel. That means what we can say, we can write this. See, individually you cannot write without the sigma, but when sigma is there, you can write this. Okay. Now you got understand now this. Okay. Now let us proceed. Even we would have taken 3. Immediately it would have been completed. Okay. Okay. Now let us proceed further then. If this is the condition, see how I am changing this. That is equal to, see, I am splitting this. You see, n I am taking common. Why? Because you are changing 0 only, R only. R is going up to n, that means n is constant like that. R only we are changing R, n we are not changing. Okay, this up to n, R is changing. That is why how I can take like this. N sigma R is equal to 0 to n 1 by NCR. Why? Because n we have taken common, minus again sigma R is equal to 0 to n, but R by NCR. Why? Because see, here R also changing. That is why you cannot take common. Okay. What is this? This is entire thing of Tn. Write down once again. Tn is equal to this one. See, n into what is this? 1 by NCR. 1 by NCR is your Sn. Then write down Sn minus what is this? This is Tn again. R by NCR is again Tn. That means see, minus Tn, if you send this side, 2Tn plus Tn, 2 times of Tn is equal to n into Sn. Okay. Okay, now they are asking Tn by Sn. Sn you send this side. Sn you send this side, then automatically n by 2. 2 you send that side, n by 2 is your answer. Okay, let us go for next question.